If you're tired of regular vacuums that die when they hit water or shop vacs that sound like jet engines, you need to see this. Today, we're counting down the 5 best wet-dry vacuums that deliver powerful suction for both liquids and solids without excessive noise. From compact cordless options to heavy-duty workshop machines, you don't need industrial equipment to handle serious cleanup jobs. I've dropped updated links in the description. Let's get into it. At number 5 is the Flex 1.6-gallon 1 horsepower brushless cordless wet/dry shop vacuum at $120 to $180. Typically $140 to $160. The Flex features a brushless motor providing efficient power from battery operation. The 1.6-gallon capacity is compact but adequate for quick cleanups. The vacuum handles both wet and dry materials, switching automatically. The cordless design using Flex's 24-volt battery system provides genuine portability without cords. The compact size makes storage easy. The vacuum includes multiple attachments. The washable filter handles both applications. Build quality is solid with durable construction. The vacuum is lightweight for easy carrying. Runtime typically provides 15 to 30 minutes of continuous use. What makes the Flex number 5 is genuine cordless portability combined with brushless motor efficiency. For quick vehicle cleanups, spot cleaning, small workshop jobs, or anyone prioritizing portability over capacity, the Flex delivers convenient cordless operation. At number 4 is the Amazon Basics Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaner 6-gallon at $60 to $90, typically $70 to $80. The Amazon Basics features a 6-gallon capacity adequate for typical home and garage cleanup jobs. The 4-peak horsepower motor delivers solid suction for both wet and dry applications. The vacuum includes a 6-foot hose with multiple attachments including crevice tool, utility nozzle, and floor nozzle. The 10-foot power cord provides decent reach. The washable filter handles dust and debris effectively. The vacuum includes a foam sleeve for wet applications. The drain plug allows easy emptying of liquids. Build quality is basic but functional. The wheels roll smoothly on various surfaces. What makes the Amazon Basics number 4 is delivering functional wet-dry capability at budget pricing with adequate capacity. For homeowners needing occasional wet-dry capability, garage cleanup, or budget-conscious buyers, the Amazon Basics delivers solid value. At number 3 is the VacMaster Professional VDK811PW8 gallon wet/dry vac at $90 to $140, typically $110 to $130. The VacMaster features an 8-gallon stainless steel tank providing durable capacity that won't crack or dent like plastic tanks. The 5.5 peak horsepower motor delivers strong suction handling serious cleanup jobs. The vacuum includes a 10-foot hose providing excellent reach. The 16-foot power cord extends working range significantly. The dual flex hose system allows using 2 hoses simultaneously or combining for extra length. The washable cartridge filter handles fine dust effectively. The rear blower port converts the vacuum into a powerful blower. The easy empty drain plug makes liquid disposal simple. Build quality is professional grade with stainless steel tank leading durability. The large rear wheels and front casters provide excellent mobility. The built-in accessory storage keeps attachments accessible. What makes the VacMaster number 3 is professional-grade stainless steel construction combined with powerful motor, dual flex hose system, and blower capability. At number 2 is the Shop Vac 10-gallon wet-dry vacuum cleaner at $130 to $200, typically $150 to $180. The Shop Vac features a 10-gallon capacity providing substantial storage for extended cleaning sessions. The 6.5 peak horsepower motor delivers powerful suction handling heavy-duty applications. The vacuum includes a 7-foot hose with multiple attachments. The 20-foot power cord provides exceptional reach-reducing outlet changes. The dual cartridge filtration system provides superior fine dust collection. The washable filters are easy to maintain. The large drain enables quick liquid emptying. The rear blower port provides powerful airflow for clearing leaves and debris. Build quality is excellent with Shop Vac's decades of manufacturing experience. The durable tank withstands job site abuse. The large rear wheels provide smooth mobility even when full. The motor is designed for continuous duty operation. What makes the Shop Vac number 2 is trusted brand quality with large 10-gallon capacity, powerful 6.5 horsepower motor, and exceptional 20-foot power cord. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the DeWalt 12-gallon Stealth Sonic wet-dry vac, earning this position by delivering maximum capacity and power with revolutionary noise reduction at $200 to $300, typically $230 to $280. The DeWalt features a 12-gallon capacity, the largest in our lineup, providing extended runtime between emptying. The 6-peak horsepower motor delivers exceptional suction power for demanding applications. The Stealth Sonic technology reduces operating noise to 69 decibels, significantly quieter than typical shop vacuums screaming at 80+ decibels. This makes it usable in residential settings without disturbing neighbors or causing hearing fatigue. The vacuum includes a 7-foot locking hose that stays connected during use. The 20-foot power cord provides excellent reach. The dual HEPA-rated wet/dry filters provide superior filtration. The automatic filter cleaning system maintains suction power by clearing filter debris with a lever pull. The rear blower port provides powerful airflow. The large drain allows quick liquid emptying. The tank is made from durable materials designed for job site abuse. Build quality is exceptional with DeWalt's tool-grade construction. The heavy-duty wheels provide smooth mobility even with full capacity. What makes the DeWalt Stealth Sonic number 1 is revolutionary noise reduction, making this usable in residential settings combined with maximum 12-gallon capacity. Powerful 6-horsepower motor, automatic filter cleaning, and professional-grade build quality. The 69 decibel operation is genuinely game-changing. You can use this indoors without hearing protection or annoying family members. For professional contractors working in occupied homes, workshop owners wanting quieter operation, serious DIYers needing maximum capacity, or anyone wanting the best overall wet-dry vacuum, the DeWalt Stealth Sonic delivers exactly that. The combination of massive capacity, powerful performance, revolutionary quiet operation, and professional build quality makes it the best wet-dry vacuum you can buy right now.